Hi there, it's Anne-Marie Fleming, Product Marketing Manager at Traction Complete. One of the things we are asked all the time is, how is Traction Complete different? And there's lots of different ways that you can talk about that. But to me, I can succinctly describe our advantage using 4 C's. The first of which is context. Second of which is complexity, customization, and customer success. So I'm going to show you the product, and I want you to remember those 4 C's because I'm going to talk about it as I show you high level some of the things our products can do. So right now I'm creating a new lead, and I'm purposely being really lazy in how I am entering things like title and company. And so let's put this, let me just make sure I've got my flow activated. Okay, let's enter in the lead. Now this can come from a form, it can come from an upload, it can come from all sorts of different channels. All right, Stacy Cole, let's take a look at you. So this is exactly what you just saw. Very lazy, didn't put a lot of info, but once it's moving through our flow, a few things are going to happen that's really cool. Boom. Look at that. So a few things here to talk about. Our demo org right now, we are using DMB data. So some of the firmographic info is coming from there, but we've also introduced AI into our flows. So I used AI to standardize the title. So it went to product manager. And one of the very powerful things that Traction Complete does is it allows you to see those records within context. And when I look at other lead routing solutions, lead to account matching solutions, I think they fall very short because they don't have a full suite of RevOps data management solutions to provide context at a bigger scale, to give that bigger story. So Stacy Cole came in from Hulu. Our system has the ability then to provide context by telling you which account that matches to, what other leads are on that account, what other opportunities and contacts exist as well. So right there out of the box, you're getting a ton of context for that record coming into the system. But then it gets even cooler. You can see how things were matched. And even more important, you can see where that lead and that company sits within a hierarchy. Now I'm going to jump into our flows. So as I talked about, Stacy Cole's title was butchered when I initially entered it, and we used AI to standardize that job title so you can create consistency in your data quality. Yes, there are tools to standardize and normalize and validate, but the beauty, and we have some of those tools ourselves, or you could use a form software, or you can use a marketing automation software, but it's very rigid. It's very structured. It's very rule-based. And the beauty of us being able to bring in AI right within the workflows, that means that we can get a little more creative and we can insert an element of thinking. So you may not even have all the rules covered in the way that you create a prompt for AI to take this action, but it does a little bit of thinking, and that opens up the capabilities enormously. And so that's what happened. So Stacy Cole came in, we standardized with OpenAI, and it goes through the rest of our flow.